In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mobile website. Now, there's many ways to make a mobile website. You can do it either on your desktop computer or you can even do it on your phone. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use webstarts.ai to create a mobile website on your phone. Now, once this website is created, you will be able to go and make edits and changes using a desktop or laptop computer. Go to webstarts.ai and then tap on Get Started. It's free. And in the first screen, what you'll do is either connect a Facebook account so that webstarts.ai can pull information and data from your Facebook pages, or just choose to skip this step. For this demo, I'm going to skip this step. Next, choose whether you're creating this mobile website for yourself or an organization. I'm just going to say that I'm creating it for me, but if you choose organization, it will ask you to enter an organization name instead of your own name, like it's asking in this next step. You can skip any of these steps at any time just by tapping on Skip This Step. I tap continue, and now it's time to either upload some photos from my mobile device or skip and move on. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and upload a few of those photos from my photo library. Of course, you can also upload photos from your camera as well. So in just a minute, these photos will be uploaded and then they'll be used when creating my website layout. You'll see that. Now that my photos are uploaded, I have a couple of different options. I can either add more photos or I can continue. I'm just going to continue. In this step, it asks for your mobile phone number. I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number and tap continue. And then in the final step, it asks what's the category of your website. I'm going to choose art and photography for this demo, but you can choose whatever category is appropriate. Now, finally, I get a rendering of the website that I laid out, and there it is. If I don't like this layout, I can tap remix, and what I'm going to see is that it's going to take the photos or the content that it pulled from Facebook and it's going to create several different layouts. So I'm just going to go through each of those now. So this is the third layout, and I think there's a total of 5 layouts before you get back to the first one. Then we go to that one that has a slideshow on it. That's kind of a nice layout. I remix again. This one has a gallery. And now I remix one more time. And I think what we'll do, is we'll be back. Well, this is the slideshow. So that's good. One more remix. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we're back to the original layout. If you like that layout, just tap continue. And then what will happen is it will generate this website especially for you. Okay, now it's time to put in my sign-up information. So I'm just going to put in my name and email address. And I'm just going to use an alias for this. And then, of course, choose a password. You'll use this password to log back into your account. And then in this final step here, what you're going to do is enter your mobile number and tap Send SMS. That's going to give you a code that you're going to use just to verify that you're a real person and that you have a real device. So here we go. We tap Continue. Now, it may take a few moments to generate your mobile website, but it is working in the background. Okay, so now my mobile website has been generated and I can choose to view my site. And if I do that, it will open a new browser window on my phone and I can view my site. I can choose whether I'd like to edit my site. And if I do that, you'll see that it will launch the simple editor on my mobile device. Then I just tap on any element of the page. So for example, if I wanted to edit that text, I can do that just by tapping inside the text box. And I can swap out images just by tapping on the image and then choosing to change the image either to another image that I've already uploaded, or I can also upload more images from my mobile phone at that point. When you're happy with your changes, all you have to do is tap save on your mobile device, and then those changes will be saved and published to your live website. Another thing I want to show you is that you can add a domain name to that website. So if you go back, you select the website that you created, you can tap add domain, and then you can either add a domain name that's never been registered, or you can add one that you have control or ownership over. Now, all of this can also be edited on the desktop website. So once you've created the website, go to webstarts.com, use the same email address and password to log into the account, and then you'll have full access to edit everything on your website. Well, that's it for this video on how to make a mobile website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more videos like this, and subscribe and enable notifications so that you'll be the first to know when we launch or release a new video.